Okay, today's video we are ripping 2 Donruss football blasters and then 15 Prizm packs. It's 2023 year, so obviously we are looking for Strouds out of like Panini. Definitely looking for the silver Prizm. It's kind of like the main chase. Got all the base. Keon White rookie. Juwan Bentley, James Cook. The portals are kind of a cool looking card. Tyreek Hill, red, white, and blue. Saquon. Zach Charbonnet, red, white, and blue. And T-Law. Probably save the Donruss blasters last. Hope for a downtown of some sort. Gotta use the scissors. Not a breaker. We've got Odell, base. Brian Ranch, he's a stud. Got Romeo Dobbs on the silver. Will McDonald. Aaron Rodgers, Shaquille, Jordan Brooks, Michael Gallup, Devontae Adams. Okay. These packs are easier than others. Skip the base. Broderick Jones, Mike Singletary. Juju Smith, and boom, there's our first Stroud. It's a cool looking card. Daniel Carlson, Ricky Williams. Wow, that was a good little pack. Little Rashee Rice. Definitely the 2 best ones right there so far. Skip the base again. Another Will McDonald. Oh boy, we got Dak Prescott. Taysom Hill. Jamar Chase. Another Taysom Hill. Chase Brown, he had a good little second half of the year. Justin Fields. And then Kenny Pickett. Elijah Dotson, Preston Smith, Keandre Miller, Tyreek, Minka, nice little Devin Witherspoon. Dude's a beast. We got Kenneth Walker. Nope, it's another tough one. More base. Roshan Johnson, KJ Henry, Drew Tranquil, Amon-Ra, Baker, Tucker. So far the Stroud count's still at 1. That's a good sign on the back. Stroud on the back. Just a base, but See if we can hit a silver. Tank Bigsby. Trey Tucker, not bad. A good little rookie campaign. Boom, another one. John Robinson, it's a cool card. Mike Williams. CJ Stroud, it's cool. A lot of these cards will probably be going up on my eBay 99-cent auction, so if anything catches your eye, feel free to scoop them up. We got a nice Anthony Richardson. Stetson Bennett, Prizm Silver, that's a cool card. AJ Dillon, Jordan Love, Schultz. Not a bad pack. Seems like when pack's decent, there's quite a bit. I believe the 15 packs in the Donruss Blaster here in Washington cost me around like $320 roughly, after tax or tax included. Chan, Baker Silver, Thielen, Rogers, Lucas Van Ness, he's a monster, and then Kenny Pickett. It's kind of weird that they have these emergents in here, like I swear in the past it's always been rookies. See, Kenny Pickett has one, see Kenneth Walker has one. Kind of interesting. Paris Johnson, Curtis Samuel, Zach Ertz, Chase. Oh, no Puka. Another cool card though, like the portal insert. Man, the Rams are getting close. Chase Brown. Sean Gary. I don't know if I'd rather have a Stroud Silver or Downtown, honestly. Obviously, Downtown is probably a little bit more valuable, but Silver, the Prizm looks good this year. Trey Tucker. Dude, this is getting crazy with the Rams. Three packs to go. Jackson Smith, James Cook, Najee CMC, cool, Michael Parsons. Musgrave, Paris Johnson Silver, cool one. Lyman get no love, but it's a pretty sweet card. Nice little CJ Stroud green there. Najee, Keandre Miller, Eckler, AJ Brown. We got 3 Strouds, can't complain. No silver, but see if we can get one out of this last pack. And Saquon. Ah, not bad. Sam Laporta. Zach Ertz. And a Debo Prismatic. Overall, not bad. Let's go rip these blasters. If you like base cards, Donruss is definitely the rip for you. They're not the worst looking cards, and there's plenty. It's crazy how heavy these boxes are. Zach Harrison, Cam Smith, space. I haven't ripped much Donruss this year, so not sure how the packs really go. I don't think I believe all the rated rookies are in the front. I hope not, anyway. And looks like that's the case. Base. Chase Brown. Be interesting to see how he is with Joe Burrow back at QB next year. Late last year, they started using him and mixing quite a bit, so hopefully has a strong sophomore campaign. Power Plus. Oh, cool looking card. Ooh, Sam Laporta. Not bad. Devin Witherspoon. And more base. Nice little Bijan Robinson. And a Chris Jones red. And a... don't even know how to pronounce that guy's name. No disrespect. Cool little card. Alright, that blaster was a dud. Let's see what we can do with this blaster. Right from the get-go, got a nice little J-Jeff patch. It's pretty cool. Wonder if that was numbered. Not numbered, and not from any specific game, so. But hey, it's still cool. Can't complain. More base. I've heard a lot of people hitting downtowns and fat packs. I've not heard anything about blasters, so let's hope I can hit one. Patrick Patrick Surtain. Not numbered. So cool looking. More Chase Brown. And more base. Keandre, another Laporta. Some more base. The White Hot Bijan, pretty cool card. Devin Witherspoon. Cool little Patrick Mahomes. Down to the final 2 packs. Let's see what we can pull. Got a Bijan Robinson, Tyree Wilson. And a little canvas, Aiden O'Connell. Cool little card. Don't think he's the future of the Raiders, but played solid for being a rook. Stephon Gilmore and Keandre Miller. So out of 15 packs, 2 blasters, these were the hits. So Justin Jefferson patch, Sam Laporta red, white, and blue, CJ Stroud green, Paris Johnson silver, Stetson Bennett silver, Bijan Robinson red, white, and blue, Rashee Rice red, white, and blue, Stroud, and a Stroud. Not the best, but that's risk with ripping. If you stayed tuned throughout the whole video, I appreciate you. Peace.